following interview was conducted with Mr. Duobrachium Sparksay on December 3rd, 2021, for his alleged involvement in the crimes of habitat invasion, indecent exposure, and second-degree murder. This video contains the audio transcript of the interview, along with important visual evidence presented to the Tenefor and both detectives.
Mr. Duobrachium Sparksay, or shall I call you Duo Lipa, you are accused of habitat invasion, indecent exposure, and second-degree murder.
I'm aware.
Where were you on the night of November 10th, 2021?
I was in my normal habitat, brackish water, using my pair of feeding tentacles to hunt for my favorite food, the zooplankton, from 7 p.m. to midnight.
And how were you traveling?
With the assistance of my 8 comb rows of cilia, which beat synchronously and propel me through the water. We are a transparent, jelly-like invertebrate species with radial symmetry, but our cilia is what sets us apart.
The witness said she saw you enter a public space and pull out your gonads in front of a school of Garibaldi. I hope you know that an indecent exposure conviction in close proximity to a school will result in you being classified as a registered sexual offender.
Wait, does that apply to a school of fish?
Shut up, nerd.
Okay, I know that looked bad, but I swear that's just how my species reproduces. We are a hermaphroditic species, able to release both eggs and sperm into the water, which drift until they hopefully find other gametes. I know it's risky, but we have to do it every day. It's like playing the lottery, and if you win, you produce offspring.
So, you were just hunting for dinner, and then out of nowhere, you decided to expel your genetic material all over the school of Garibaldi? Were you drunk?
Who do you think you are? We know you aren't a protosome or a deuterosome, you idiot.
Don't call me an idiot. We Tenephores have complex nervous systems, which has led to some scientists to suggest we're the basal phylum of all metazomes. But to answer your question, I must breed at any given opportunity. 900 million pounds of jellyfish were caught last year and consumed in 15 Southeast Asian countries. After humans catch all of my neighbors, they will come for our species next.
Sir, this weapon was found at the scene of the murder. We're waiting for tentacle prints to come back from the lab, but is there anything you'd like to share before then?
You fool! That's a nidocyte or a stinging tentacle. Only cnidarians have these, and my species lacks stinging cells. Just because they're the closest to us on the phylogenetic tree doesn't mean we're all the same. I can't believe I've been phylum profiled. Law enforcement in this ocean will never change.
How do we even know you're a Tenephore? Tenephora have been around for 500 million years, and there's over 150 species divided into 2 classes, Tentaculata and Nuda. We need some more proof to place you in the right bin. Furthermore, the exact placement of Tenephora in any phylogeny is not absolute because there are numerous potential evolutionary outcomes.
I already have 8 comb rows with little cilia to propel me through the water. And see my mouth? No stingers, just these sticky coloblasts. And I'm clearly a tentaculata because of my 2 feathery tentacles. I'm a Tenephore, damn it. And some scientists even believe we're the basal image of all animals. Put some respect on my name.
We have here a phylogenetic tree consisting of the Tenephora phylum as well as some others. If you can show us where you are on this tree, where your phylum belongs, we might believe you're actually a Tenephora.
Wait a minute, this tree doesn't look right. What did you guys do to it?
Well, we made it in our college biology lab. I wouldn't call it peer-reviewed.
Maybe we are looking at this from 2 different angles. The phylogenetic tree that I keep on my phone is this one. I got it from an article written by Gasper Gelicke, Claus Nielsen, and Jordan Pops, titled The Phylogenetic Position of Tenephores and the Origins of Nervous System. It is a good read. Your behavior today has been horribly unprofessional. I'd like to talk to my lawyer.
No! There are no lawyers in the ocean.
Am I under arrest, officer?
No, you're free to go. We're not filing any charges at this time.
Thank you for this ridiculous waste of my time. If you need me, it's not like I will migrate away. I will just be out here living my simple, holoplanktonic life.